This is Columbus Circle. I just saw a nice, lovely young couple out on a date, and the guy said, "This is Columbus Circle. You heard of Christopher Columbus, right?" I worry for our generation. This terrible dream last night that I slept through 2020. I woke up and it was October and all my friends were doing cool things and I'd missed out on the entire, it was a terrible dream. Edwin, I had a really bad dream last night. So did I. I guess the holidays are sort of over, but they're like not really over. It's still very quiet and not busy around downtown Manhattan today, so I am with Edwin. And we're gonna go on a little bit of an adventure. I was looking to sell a pair of shoes today. What do we have in the bag? I'm excited. I haven't seen these yet, so this is a surprise. Ooh, I know what those are. I know exactly what those are. Edwin is trying to sell his, are these the black ones or the gray ones though? The gray original release Kaws 4s. I'll buy them off you.
Yeah?
Yeah, $200.
Deal.
Woo! Perks of being a YouTuber. I think Edwin's going to Sneaker Flea. Well, I mean, he's in Sneaker Flea. He's gonna see how much they offer there, and then he's gonna see how much they offer around 2. I don't know.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
This is a brief interruption from our regularly scheduled program to talk about safety.
Blimey! That could be dangerous.
If you guys remember last week, this happened. So as a result, this came in the mail today. There's a very good chance that this is the greatest thing I've ever spent money on in my, oh my, I am so excited. Oh my goodness. This is the most absurd use of $390 ever. Do not spend $390 on I mean, if you want to, do it, because this thing is absolutely... Are you kidding me? This helmet is from a brand called Ruroc. They are not sponsoring me. They're not paying me. I paid my own money for this because it looks amazing. Now, I mean, you guys are probably saying, Tom, you know, this is an all right helmet, but wait, there's more. This helmet has 3 different parts that sort of, I mean, I've never done, the jaw thing on here. Is that in? Jaw part. Head part, and then goggle part. If this isn't the coolest looking, like I look like a freaking Star Wars stormtrooper. This is so over the top and so absurd, but I love it. So do you think if I just walk around like this and start vlogging, I'm gonna get weird looks, or?
I think you get more subscribers.
If I walk into a store like this, do you think anyone would walk into a bank maybe? Yeah. If I did my banking with this helmet on, would that be okay? Maybe not, no?
No, I don't think so.
It's not even that heavy. It looks absolutely ridiculous, and the amount of looks I'm getting, I look like a stormtrooper.
That's it.
I can't see you right now either. It blocks out. I need to look at you to...
I can see myself though.
I'm smiling really big right now. I feel like this is just becoming a daily occurrence at this point, that I'm teaching people how to ride boosted boards.
Maybe you should start a little program to get paid for it.
Everyone just be safe. I have a helmet now. This is not a helmet. You hold this trigger at all times, no matter what. And then this is the throttle, and that is the brake.
And to go backwards or forwards, just
throttle, brake.
A little bit too much throttle. You're gonna film me die. You are going to film me die.
There you go. Okay. I think he's ready to ride in the street. You sure? 100%. You ready to give this a try?
Yeah.
I am so worried for... Guys, I am so worried for him. Yeah, this is officially the coolest looking thing I've ever purchased in my life, and it's not heavy, and it's ventilated. This is the best.
The gist of it is pretty much riding a regular skateboard.
This is tight. You good, Ed? Round two, I don't know what they offered him at Sneaker Flea. Edwin's in round two. Hopefully they offer him something good at round two. I really don't know what the going rate for, like $1,000? Maybe? Anything good in here?
I didn't really look yet. You want to look around?
Yeah. Let me know if there's anything good in here.
Let's do it.
I would just like to note that when I told people that I was moving to New York in December, they told me, are you crazy? Are you insane? The winters are terrible. It's 48 degrees today, Edwin. Why do New Yorkers complain about winter?
Because it's brick, B. You kidding me, B? I gotta go.
So, I mean, yeah, moral of the story is avoid brain injury. It's probably a good idea. Probably. I mean, also, come on, this is the baddest assist looking. Baddest assist? I'll be 100% honest with you guys, I didn't really want to get this helmet in the first place. It has nothing to do with me like not looking cool or me not liking safety or anything. It was just the logistical hassle of only having two hands. When I have the helmet, I also have my boosted board and I always have my camera. It just makes it extremely difficult to like do anything when you have a helmet, a board, and a camera. You need to like put down the board and the camera before you can film, or put down the board and the helmet before you can film. And that's why I was so obstinate and resistant to buying a helmet, even though, you know, my head is probably pretty important. But then a few of you guys commented on my videos being like, Tom, you know what, remember you're a role model to a bunch of people, you know, lots of kids watch your videos and look up to you. And I thought, you know what, that is very true and something I just don't think about on a day-to-day basis. I mean, I don't view myself as a role model or someone important or substantial, but I know there are people out there that do look up to me. And I mean, that's mind-blowing that that's the truth. But I mean, I just sort of ride around and shop and film stuff on the street and have fun doing it. And I don't really notice that there is tens and tens of thousands of people tuning in every single day to everything I'm doing, which I really do appreciate and does mean the world to me. And those comments just sort of made me put that into perspective of, yeah, me riding around without a helmet on a skateboard going, you know, 25 miles an hour is probably not the best thing to broadcast to people that do look up to me. So kids, boosted boards are amazing, but seriously, just get a helmet.